The mandrill, a creature that stands out in the animal kingdom for its unique and vibrant appearance. It's not your average monkey. In fact, it's one of the most distinctive primates you'll ever encounter. This primate is rocking some serious style. With its flamboyant colors and striking features, it's like the fashion icon of the jungle. Imagine a furry rainbow exploded on its face. That's the mandrill. Bright blue ridges, scarlet noses, and pink rear ends. These colors are not just for show, they play a crucial role in social interactions and mating rituals. You won't find these colors on any color wheel. They are nature's own palette, designed to dazzle and impress. These fashionable primates call the rainforests of Central Africa home. They thrive in the dense, humid environments where they can find plenty of food and shelter. Think lush green canopies and hidden waterfalls. The mandrill's habitat is as vibrant and diverse as the animal itself. Gabon and Cameroon are their favorite stomping grounds. These regions provide the perfect backdrop for their colorful lives. Life's a jungle, but somebody's gotta be fabulous, right? And the mandrill does it with flair and confidence. Mandrills are the heavyweights of the monkey world. Their size and strength are impressive, making them formidable creatures in their environment. Males can tip the scales at over 100 pounds. That's a lot of monkey to handle. That's like carrying a sack of potatoes everywhere you go. Imagine the strength and endurance required to move through the forest with such a weight. They use their brawn to navigate the forest floor and climb trees with surprising agility. Their muscular build allows them to be both powerful and nimble. But let's not forget the ladies. Female mandrills may not be as brightly colored, but they are equally fascinating. Female mandrills are more subtly colored. Their brown and black hues provide a more understated elegance. They rock a more understated brown and black look. This camouflage helps them blend into the forest, providing protection from predators. Don't let that fool you though. Despite their muted colors, female mandrills are vital to the social structure of their groups. They're the real bosses in mandrill society. They lead and maintain order, ensuring the group's survival and cohesion. Mandrills are social butterflies thriving in the dense forests of Central Africa. These fascinating primates are known for their vibrant colors and complex social structures. They live in large groups called troops, which can be as small as a few dozen or as large as several hundred individuals. These troops can number in the hundreds, creating a bustling community where every member has a role to play. It's like a never-ending family reunion, filled with constant chatter, grooming, and social interactions. Except with more grooming and less potato salad. Grooming is a crucial activity, strengthening bonds and maintaining hygiene. The males? They're all about strutting their stuff. Dominant males display their bright colors to assert their status and attract females. Their colorful faces aren't just for show. These vivid hues signal their health and genetic fitness. It's all about attracting the ladies. The brighter the colors, the more attractive they are to potential mates. The brighter the colors, the higher their status. This visual Males often lead the group with their wisdom and knowledge. The older females call the shots, guiding the troop through the complexities of jungle life. Life in a mandrill troop is a constant balance of power and play. Social dynamics are ever-changing, with alliances forming and dissolving. There's always something going on, from playful antics to serious disputes. The troop is always active. Whether it's a grooming session, a play fight, or a territorial dispute, these interactions are vital for maintaining social order. It's never a dull moment in the world of mandrills. Their vibrant lives are a testament to the complexity and beauty of nature. What's a mandrill's favorite food? Well, that's a tough question because these fascinating creatures have a very diverse palate. Pretty much anything they can get their furry little hands on. From fruits to insects, their diet is as varied as the rainforest they call home. They're omnivores with a taste for adventure. This means they eat both plants and animals, making them incredibly adaptable to their environment. Fruits, seeds, leaves, insects, you name it. If it's available in the rainforest, chances are a mandrill has tried it. If it's edible, they'll give it a go. Their willingness to try different foods helps them survive in a habitat where food sources can be unpredictable. They use their strong jaws and sharp teeth to crack open nuts and seeds. These powerful tools allow them to access food that other animals might find difficult to eat. They're like the original nutcracker, using their impressive dental strength to get to the nutritious insides. Their foraging skills are top-notch. They spend a significant part of their day searching for food, using their keen senses to locate it. They can sniff out a juicy grub or a ripe fruit from miles away. Their sense of smell is incredibly acute, helping them find food even in dense forests. Sometimes their adventurous palates get them into trouble. Their curiosity and hunger can lead them to human settlements. They've been known to raid crops and plantations, much to the dismay of local farmers. Farmers aren't always thrilled about their furry neighbors helping themselves to their hard work. This can lead to conflicts between humans and mandrills. But hey, a mandrill's gotta eat, right? Despite the occasional conflict, their need to find food is a natural part of their behavior. Their diverse diet helps them thrive in their rainforest home. By eating a wide range of foods, they ensure they get all the nutrients they need. They play a vital role in seed dispersal, ensuring the health and diversity of the ecosystem. By spreading seeds, they help new plants grow. They're like the gardeners of the jungle, contributing to the lush, vibrant environment that they and so many other species depend on. Life in the rainforest isn't all sunshine and fruit snacks. Mandrills are facing some serious threats. The biggest baddie? Habitat loss. Humans are encroaching on their territory, clearing forests for agriculture and logging. Then there's the hunting. Mandrills are targeted for their meat and body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. It's a double whammy of habitat destruction and direct killing. It's enough to make a mandrill want to move to the suburbs. These threats have landed mandrills on the vulnerable list. It's like being on a waiting list for extinction, and nobody wants to be on that list. The situation is dire, but there's still hope. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect these amazing creatures, but they can't do it alone. They need our help. Section 5. Conservation Crusaders, fighting for the future. It's not all doom and gloom. There are people fighting tooth and nail to save mandrills. Conservation organizations are working with local communities to protect forests and promote sustainable practices. They're also educating people about the importance of mandrills and the threats they face. Knowledge is power. The more people know, the more likely they are to help. It's like a superhero team, but instead of capes, they wear hiking boots and carry binoculars. One of the key strategies is creating protected areas. These are like safe havens for mandrills, where hunting and habitat destruction are strictly prohibited. It's like giving them a break from the pressures of the outside world. They're also working to crack down on the illegal wildlife trade. It's a tough battle, but they're making progress. Every mandrill saved is a victory. Section 6. Kumba's Tale, a Story of Hope. Let me tell you about Kumba. Kumba is a mandrill with a story to tell. He was just a baby when he was orphaned. His mother had been killed by poachers. It was a tragedy. Luckily, Kumba was rescued and brought to a wildlife sanctuary. At the sanctuary, he received the care and attention he needed. He thrived under the watchful eyes of dedicated caregivers. He even made some new friends. Kumba's story is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there's always hope. His story is a testament to the dedication and compassion of those working to protect mandrills. It shows that every individual life matters, and that even small actions can make a big difference. Section 7. The Future of the Mandrill. A Call to Action. The future of the mandrill is uncertain. Their survival hinges on our actions. We can't afford to be bystanders. We need to act now. Think of it as a global group project. And the grade? The survival of an entire species. We can all play a part no matter how small. Support conservation organizations, spread the word about mandrills, educate yourself and others about the importance of wildlife conservation. Every little bit helps. It's like a puzzle. Every piece contributes to the bigger picture. Together, we can make a difference. We can ensure that these amazing creatures have a future. Section 8. Mandrills and Humans, a Complex Relationship. Humans and mandrills have a complicated history. We're the reason they're in danger. But we can also be their saviors. It's a tale as old as time. Our actions have consequences, and it's up to us to fix the mess we've made. The good news is that more and more people are realizing the importance of coexistence. We're starting to understand that we need nature more than it needs us. It's a humbling realization. We can learn a lot from mandrills, their resilience, their social bonds, their adaptability. They're a reminder that we're all part of something bigger than ourselves, and that we have a responsibility to protect the planet we share. Section 9. Appreciating the splendor of final thought. The mandrill, a creature of vibrant colors and complex social lives, a symbol of the beauty and fragility of nature. They deserve our admiration, our respect, and most importantly, our protection. Let's not let their story end here. Let's write a new chapter, one filled with hope, conservation, and a future where mandrills can thrive in the wild, their rainbow faces lighting up the rainforest for generations to come. It's a story worth telling, and it's a story we can all be a part of.